Hello, my name is Sarah Guerin and I'm the knitting instructor at the Cambridge Center for Adult Education. Over the next few weeks while the school is closed, I'll be giving a few short videos on tips and tricks that I teach in my knitting classes. In my Intro to Knitting course, one of the first things that we learn is how to cast on, the term for putting the yarn onto the needles. Although in my supply list I call for circular needles, two smaller needles connected by a cable, which we use for almost every project that we do, when I cast on, I prefer to use good old-fashioned straight needles. They give a nice consistent stitch, they're easier to cast onto, and then we move the stitches over to the circular needles. To begin with, we make a slip knot, which is tip number 1. To make a good, efficient slip knot, you turn the yarn over into a small loop, reach through the loop, and grab the tail of yarn that's hanging down. When you pull the yarn nice and snug, it makes a cinchable circle that when we pull on the tail gets smaller. You put the knitting needle through that loop, pull the tail, cinch it tight, and we have our very first stitch mounted onto the needle. There are many different cast-ons from different cultures, which we go over in the course, and my tip number 2 will be how to do a very common cast-on called the long tail cast-on. So look for that video. Bye!